I know how challenging it can be to fit in a workout with a busy schedule. I survived the struggle of juggling life and fitness, and I spent time finding a routine that actually delivers results. What helped me the most was sticking to this 15-minute daily workout designed to target belly fat, no matter your fitness level. Here's the simple yet effective routine I followed. Warm up with jumping jacks 2 minutes. This gets your heart rate up and prepares your body for the workout. High knees 1 min. Run in place, bringing your knees up to your chest to engage your core. Bicycle crunches 1 min. Lie on your back and alternate bringing each elbow to the opposite knee, targeting those obliques. Plank 1 min. Hold a plank position to strengthen your core and improve overall stability. Mountain climbers 1 min. Get into a plank position and drive your knees towards your chest for a full body burn. Challenges and results. I faced days when it felt hard to stay motivated, but I built resilience by committing to this short routine, and I got amazing results. Physically, I noticed my belly fat decreasing and my core becoming stronger. Mentally, I felt more energized and confident, ready to tackle any challenge. Motivational tip: consistency is key. Track your progress and celebrate every small achievement. Each day you commit to this workout brings you closer to your fitness goals. Are you in a busy life? Fresh Juice Original solves it. Make fresh smoothies anywhere with over 100 5-star reviews, plus enjoy free shipping. Check the link in the description to get yours now. Facing pain, low energy, or mobility issues? Strength Training for Seniors offers 45+ easy exercises to boost strength and confidence. Get your copy with 5-star reviews and free shipping now. Link in description. Looking to boost your fitness? The Fitness Tracker solves the problem of tracking your health metrics effortlessly. Monitor calories, steps, and sleep with this waterproof smart band. It's a game changer for staying on top of your fitness goals. Get yours now with 5-star reviews and free shipping. Click the link below. Try this workout and transform your body and mind one day at a time.